Today I am going to deliver lecture about stream selection and career option after class 10. Dear parents and children, if your child have given class 10th board examination, if you are parent, otherwise if you are children, you may have given class 10th board examination. After giving class 10th board examination, you reached a point where you have to do self-reflection. You have to do self-reflection. What to do after class 10th? Which stream you should opt? What are the career option in that stream? So, to take this decision, it is not one day task. Decision which you are taking today, it will be there with you for next 45 years. So I request you people not to take decision about your stream within 1 hour of my session or any counselor session, but process it, take some more time, 1 day, 1 week. I will suggest take at least 1 month. But most of the time, children are not doing this. Therefore, sometime they are landing in wrong profession and somehow they are dealing with their life of unmotivated workforce. So, today I am going to share with you how traditionally children are taking decision. Let me give one example. एक लड़की थी, मैंने उससे पूछा कौन सा स्ट्रीम सेलेक्ट किया, उसने बोला सर कॉमर्स सेलेक्ट किया। मैंने पूछा क्यों, तो उसने बोला कि हमारे ग्रुप में देयर आर 4 फ्रेंड्स, सो 3 ने कॉमर्स ले लिया तो फ्रेंड छूट न जाए, इसलिए मैंने भी कॉमर्स ले लिया। सो stream selection is so simple. It is not like this. So many a time I have seen that children are taking decision because of their friend. Second case, I want to share with you people. एक बच्चा आया. That child was very bright, genius. जैसा कि सब लोग आजकल मेडिकल लाइन, इंजीनियरिंग लाइन में ज्वाइन करना चाहते थे, तो सब लोगों का कैरियर ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट कर लिया था। फिर मैंने उससे पूछा और उससे कहा भी कि तुम क्यों नहीं डॉक्टर बनते, तो बोलता है सर इतना कौन पढ़ेगा। तो फिर मैंने उससे पूछा तो फिर क्या बनना है, फिर उसने बोला जो आप बना दो, लेकिन 2 कंडीशन है। हम कहा मैंने पूछा कि 2 कंडीशन क्या है, जिसमें तो कंडीशन नंबर 1 पढ़ना कम पड़े और पैसा ज्यादा मिले। सो फ्रेंड, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, in this world there is no any profession जिसमें हार्ड वर्क कम करना पड़े और पैसा ज्यादा मिले। तो इस तरह का कोई प्रोफेशन या कैरियर ऑप्शन नहीं है। One day one parent asked from me, sir tell me which field is having maximum scope. I told him, see, your question itself is wrong. Every field is having maximum scope. Otherwise, पेट्रोल पंप पे पेट्रोल भरने वाला बच्चा धीरू भाई अंबानी रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री खड़ी नहीं कर सकता। कभी रेलवे स्टेशन पे चाय बेचने वाला बच्चा प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बन सकता। So I will suggest you people stream selection and career selection. It is a scientific process. Go through it. So before discussing about stream selection, career option, I will suggest all of you first know yourself. Many a time I ask from people, can you tell something about yourself? What are your strengths and what are your limitations? They fail to answer this simple question. So friends, children, first of all, I will suggest explore yourself, know your strength, know your limitations. Now, how to know your strength? To know your strength, you have to think about your aptitude. Now, what is aptitude? Let me explain it with the help of one example. एक बच्चा था अपने मम्मी के साथ, उसकी मम्मी डॉक्टर थी। नाइट में वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की प्रॉब्लम हुआ उसके बिल्डिंग में, सिर्फ उसके रूम नंबर में प्रॉब्लम हुआ। तो मम्मी ने कॉल किया इलेक्ट्रिशियन को, इलेक्ट्रिशियन फोन पिकअप नहीं किया, तो शी वाज नर्वस। सो बच्चा उसका जो क्लास 7th स्टैंडर्ड में था, दैट चाइल्ड हैज पिक्ड अप वन स्क्रू ड्राइवर एंड चेक्ड द फ्यूज, और फिर बोला मम्मी से, देखो मम्मी इसका फ्यूज लूज था, उसने टाइट करके सही कर दिया। दैट मीन्स दैट चाइल्ड इज शोइंग हिज एप्टीट्यूड। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, फर्स्ट नो योर एप्टीट्यूड. देयर आर सो मेनी एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, they are available online also, you can go for it. Second, know your interest. Many a time children are having different interest, but they are opting different career. Let me give one example. There is one child in my school itself. She is very good in dancing. So I told her there is a great career in the field of dance also. Then she told me, sir, no, I am not going for this field, but I will be going for engineering. So sometime you can convert your interest into your career, but it is not like this. You can go in different field also. Now third point I will discuss, know your personality. Every person is having different personality. Suppose there is one child, उसके घर में कोई रिलेटिव्स आते हैं, तो ड्राइंग रूम से भाग करके स्टडी रूम में छुप जाता है. Means he is not interested in communicating with others, connecting with people. He is interested to get connected with books. तो इस तरह के बच्चे को यदि मार्केटिंग फील्ड में आप लेके आओगे तो क्या होगा, he will fail in that field, और जिस कंपनी में ज्वाइन करेगा वो कंपनी डूब जाएगी. मीन्स ये बच्चा इंट्रोवर्ट है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि देयर इज अ फॉल्ट विद द चाइल्ड. One day, same child will become scientist of the year. Second child, suppose he is standing on the bus stop और उसकी बस लेट हो गई है, तो जो भी फेलो पैसेंजर्स है उनसे बातें करना शुरू कर देता है, अपने बारे में बताना शुरू करता है, दूसरे के बारे में पूछना शुरू करता है. मीन्स ही इज हैविंग इंटरेस्ट एज वेल एज एप्टीट्यूड टू गेट कनेक्टेड विथ अदर्स. ये बच्चे को मार्केटिंग का, सेल्स का कोई डिग्री एमबीए करा दो तो कोई डूबती कंपनी रहेगी उसको भी ये तैरना सिखा देगा. So I have discussed aptitude, interest, personality. Now fourth point is value system. Every person, every family, every district, every country is having its own value system. Let me give one example. कुछ लोग प्रीफर करते हैं गवर्नमेंट सर्विस का, और यदि उनसे पूछो गवर्नमेंट सर्विस क्यों, तो बोलेंगे कि एटलीस्ट कोई मुझे जॉब से निकाल तो नहीं पाएगा. फिर वहीं पे दूसरे लोग प्राइवेट सेक्टर को सिलेक्ट करते हैं. यदि उनसे पूछो आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर में क्यों जाना चाहते हो, तो दे विल टेल देयर इज अ ग्रेट स्कोप. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वैल्यू system. So I have discussed 4 points. First is know your aptitude. Second, know your interest. Fourth, know your personality. Know your value system. Now, fifth, one day I asked from one child, बेटा क्या बनना है? सर सीए बनना है. सीए क्या करता है? सर नहीं पता. मीन्स समटाइम वी आर अट्रैक्टेड बाय ग्लैमर ऑफ द पोजीशन और rosy picture of any profession. So I request and suggest, suppose you have decided to become a doctor, at least go and live life of doctor with doctor at least for 1 week. If you have selected that you will become army personnel, I will suggest go and live with someone who is there in the army. Don't get attracted by rosy picture of any profession or glamour of any profession. Next point, don't believe in prediction. Sometimes your teacher, your parent, your relative may be saying you that this child is good for nothing, इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. So don't believe in these predictions. Many a time I have seen that children who were backbenchers, they are doing very good in their college as well as their profession because of their hard work. And at the same time, sometimes genius, brilliant children, they stop doing hard work and they fail to achieve that success which generally their school teachers were expecting. I also suggest, don't think about reservation, corruption, because if you are having skill, if you are having talent, there is sufficient things for you in this world. So I have discussed, once again I want to repeat what are the points I have discussed. Before selecting your stream or career, you have to know yourself, know your aptitude, know your interest, know your personality, know the value system of your family. Don't run by the glamour of the job. Don't be attracted, they are demotivated by predictions and socio-economic condition of the society. Now, subscribe my channel and like it, and rest of the thing you will be seeing in second part.